Hey, if you want to watch Twitch streams while playing games on your PS5 Slim, all you have to do is to open the game that you want to play and then click on the PlayStation button on your controller, go into the game base, from here go to the messages and send to one of your friends this message, twitch.tv. When you click to enter a message, you will be able to do this and then tap to R2 to confirm. Now when you do this, select your twitch.tv, click on the one with the X on your controller, then tap on the options button, tap to pin to site, and then move it to the left or the right side by using arrows. Click X to confirm, and now we can actually play. If you want to open card of your Twitch and change stream, double tap on the PlayStation button, so here we can navigate like this, and to close it, click double tap. Click 2 times PlayStation button on your controller, so you'll be back to your game. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.